Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Plug in your Android to the Mac with a proper data cable and do this now. Unlock the phone and watch its USB options. If you plan only to move files, install Android File Transfer or open MTP on the Mac first so the app opens automatically. For advanced tasks like Wi-Fi debugging, go to Settings about Phone and tap Build number 7 times to reveal developer options. You can enable USB debugging later, but start with a plain file transfer mode first. Once the phone is connected, swipe down the notification shade and pick File Transfer, MTP. Make sure the Mac recognizes the device. Open Android File Transfer or open MTP and let it index your folders. Drag and drop files to copy and watch transfer progress. If a transfer stalls, cancel and retry smaller batches. If you need persistent access, consider enabling developer options and USB debugging to use ADB tools. But for everyday transfers, MTP, when you're done, eject the device in Android File Transfer or open MTP, then unplug the cable. This prevents file corruption. If the Mac doesn't detect the phone, make sure the phone's USB mode is set to file transfer, try a known good data cable and a different Mac USB port, and restart the app. For wireless options, pair via Bluetooth for small files or use Google Drive, Dropbox, or Wi-Fi transfer apps. These are handy if cable problems persist, but always verify file integrity after copying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.